Hi, my name is Tim Bowling, and I'm going to be showing you Group 1's Project 3 GUI. So a little bit into the code first. Here we have the function definitions for all of our functions and variables that we have laid out. And I'm going to start at the bottom here with the read file function. This takes text.txt and it will read the 8 different pairs that we have here. And it will it'll read in the 8 right here, and then it will store the pairs into file name 1 and file name 2 respectively, and then go to pass those values to make images so that we can actually make the image here and make images. So in here, we open the files and do some error checking, and then it will take the square root of the size and it'll make that the width, and then depending on the modulo, the size modulo width, if it's above 0, then it'll add 1 to that to make sure we're not missing any data or cutting any data off. Then in here, we will set A, C, T, and G to different color values to differentiate them for the user. And if there's none of them, if we have extra space, it'll just make it white. So then from there we have a couple get functions, which just will get the file count, get the percentage, and all of that is incorporated into the forms header file. And we have a button click, a track bar scroll, a numeric up down value changed, and those will trigger the functions that I just showed you. So I'm going to go ahead and run the GUI here. And these are disabled until you hit the button here, and then we'll have to move the scroll to look at the files here, and we can change the span using these up and down arrows. And as you go up with the arrows, we're looking at a bigger chunk, so it will give you some dissimilar chunks in here. So like this one is 96.6% different. Yeah, thank you for watching, and that's our coronavirus GUI.